Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, again, maybe you've missed it. You can go to scroll down in the description or pinned comments. Just click on one link and you'll be landed to this exact page. Now, what you're doing here is just go ahead and enter your email address. And once done, just click on next and then wait for it to load. Once it loads, continue with the sign-in process. And then after that, as fast as that, you now have your Shopify account. Okay. So if you want to enjoy the 3 months for only $1, okay, you can go ahead and click on select a plan right here at the bottom left. And then go ahead and select from one of these options. But if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and select advanced. Okay. You're just basically going to pay the same exact amount for 3 months right here. $1, $1, $1. Okay, go ahead and click on select advanced. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and connect your PayPal account, or you can go ahead and use your credit or debit card right here. And then once that's done, click on subscribe. And after that, you go ahead and check your profile right here, go to settings, and then go ahead and go to plan. You should now be able to see that under your plan details, you're now using advanced. All right, you can cancel at any time if you want to. But that is just how you sign up for Shopify. If you want to know more about Shopify, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.